To re-include a Genius radiator valve, first it will need to be removed from the radiator. Wait the screen and then press and hold the middle button until an M appears on the screen. Give the middle button a short press. The valve will now go into mount mode. This is indicated by a flashing M on the screen. The valve should also feel loose on the radiator. Remove the battery cover and by inserting an Allen key into the hole shown, twist the valve off the radiator. Doing this locks the screw cap mechanism into place, allowing easy removal. To take the valve out of mount mode, press and hold the middle button. You will hear the motor inside engage for roughly 5 seconds. As demonstrated here, taking the valve out of mount mode forces the servo inside the valve back down. Take the valve to the hub, then open the app, go to Settings, Devices, and click Include Device at the bottom. From there, follow the instructions, ensuring there is at least 2 meters line of sight between the valve and the hub. Put the valve back into mount mode by waking the screen and pressing and holding the middle button until an M appears on the screen. Give the middle button another short press and you will hear the motor inside engage for roughly 5 seconds while it raises the servo. A flashing M will then appear on the screen. This is necessary to avoid putting pressure on the servo when mounting. Screw the valve clockwise onto the radiator until it is hand tight, being careful not to cross the threads. Then, by inserting an Allen key into the hole shown, further tighten the valve if desired. Note, you will likely need to use the Allen key to remove the valve in future if you do this. Replace the battery cover, and finally, take the valve out of mount mode by pressing and holding the middle button. The valve will become tight on the radiator.